transferring to LA. Vlogging na naman. So guys, we're leaving now. Ang hirap mag-vlog guys. Punta muna kami dito sa immigration here at Nassau. So guys, ito yung sasakyan namin going to airport. So hot. Bye-bye Miami, on the way to LA, California. On the way to California, even though emotional because I have my friend of friends, best friend. Saying goodbye, Marina. See you until we see you. There we go. Guys, kakaiba yung sasakyan dito. Nasa kabila yung Manobela. Ayun o.
Oh, it just looks normal to me. I didn't even think of that.
Nasa kabila yung Manobela. Di ba dapat dito yan?
Yeah.
So amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is normal to me.
How many minutes going to airport?
About 30.
30 minutes. So I can take a video with the beautiful of me, Nassau. Say hi guys. Hi. So we're now leaving the Conquest.
We are here today. We like
So we are here now in airport. This is the airport, guys. Flight info. This is the first step you need to do is what is this? Check-in? Yeah, check-in. What's your name?
Tony.
Tony. Say hi, Tony. So we're going to LA. Oh, this is one of the guy I saw in outside.
So, Wally, let me see your address into LA. Where will you be staying once you stay over?
In the Hilton.
California somewhere.
Yeah. Tony will assist us going to LA. You know, I put the first class. Yeah, in the first yeah. No, just kidding. You want to the first class?
I'll show you.
Hello.
Security.
Yeah, that's all my things. Yeah, here in United Airlines. Hello guys, what's your name? Yeah, your name?
Say
What's your name?
my name,
Yeah,
Pamela.
Pamela. Pamela is here. Thank you so much, Pamela. So guys, we are here at Nassau Airport, right? This is a Nassau Airport. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Then our flight is 2 p.m. at the 2:25, 2:35, 25. Don't worry, I am the owner.
Okay, you're all set. Your flight will be leaving from B30, okay?
Yep.
B30. So you need to be upstairs an hour before, okay?
Okay. B30.
B30. Walk you down and make it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, take care.
Going to LA, guys. Okay guys, we're done. I'm done in the immigration here at NASA. Going to LA. Thank you Lord, it's done. Then going to departure. Where is she? Here you go. This is the airport. Wow. I don't know what's that. There's a statue there. I don't know what statue is that. Indonesian boy. Immigration. Yung mga India, ewan ko bakit hindi sila binibigyan. Matagal yung proseso nila. Here we go. A lot of store here, so I think I need to eat first. Yeah. Nassau duty free. Yeah. Go. Wait lang natin si Indonesia, ay si India boy. Yes. That's it. Kasi kakain ako. Actually, ang plate ko is ang plate ko ay 235 pa. So eto, kasama ko tong Indonesian boy na to. Guys, tingnan niyo mukha nito. Ano masasabi niyo dito? Mabait naman to, guys. Ako lang talaga yung nangungupal dito. Ayan, see? What?
Tutang na.
Ano?
Tutang na.
Putang ina. So what we gonna do? Let's eat first.
What we eat?
Because
let's go on the liquor shop and we'll see what's going on there.
Liquor?
Yeah.
I
let's
don't
go.
want.
I actually don't want. Just figure out the prices and all.
Okay.
So while going back.
Guys, tingin daw siya sa sa mga liquor. Duty free. Alcohol. $24. $18 Smirnoff. 26 Gordon. And Black Label, $65.
Gold level.
Gold label is 125. Then red label is 35. What's the most expensive one?
I want to see where Maclean, man.
Maclan? I don't know. Let's see here. Yes, this is the. You have a lot of choices. $16. Milagro. Carbo Special. Don't know what's this. That's it. Kakain muna ako dito kasi mamaya pa yung plate namin. Let's go, Manggesh! You want to bring that? You want to pay for tax. Let's go. We're gonna eat. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Cover.
Meet again.
Cover the camera. Hello, guys.
Hi.
Your friend. You're from Australia. You're from
Brazil.
Brazil.
You're from Philippines. So, guys, right now we are here at Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts, yeah.
Thank you, Donald.
Because we're so hungry. Yeah.
No more Mets food for a couple of nights. Yay!
4 days.
No
2
more
nights.
Rocky.
Yeah.
Actually, 4 days ako sa hotel. I have 4 days. Then you?
2 nights.
2 nights in hotel. You?
4 days.
4 days.
We're going to
What
Disney
hotel?
World.
Disney World?
Yeah, we're
I'm
going
going
to
to
Disney World.
Disney. We are going to Disney.
The dog.
What?
I've already got the Paladin.
Where did you go to Disney World?
In Orlando. You had the California one. Why
Yeah,
not the
Ellen.
You can
Orlando?
Disneyland.
There's a
Yeah, I'm
Disneyland?
pretty sure the Anaheim one. Yeah.
Wow. Oh, Tony. See you again.
See you, man.
See you again.
This is my second debut.
You're overexposed in my vlog.
That's okay. That's okay.
Okay.
Survey 1 CDH's departure gate C44 customers James Day, Andrew Schmidt,
Open the passport to the photo page.
Thank you so much. I'm going to Turkey. Nomi. Grabe, nakapasok ko na eh.
Just click my picture.
It's against the light.
Hello! Welcome to United Airlines, guys. Come on. Let's have a look from inside. See? The wheel is spinning, man. It's always better than mine. Look. That doesn't fit. It's like we are going to vacation like this.
This is a vacation.
4 days vacation?
Yeah. I have 4 days vacation
I have 2 days,
here
man.
at Los Angeles. Thank you for Carnival. Because I am the owner. I am the owner and this is my assistant.
Assistant.
Yeah.
I'm the own one island that with the half monkey.
Yeah. Actually, I transferred to your name, the Half Moon K. But the Princess K, I think. So I don't know.
No connection. I have connection.
Arejas y monitores. Si han movido el apoyacabezas o el apoyapiés,
Alright guys, so nakababa na kami dito sa where now? Houston. Here at Houston. So
Houston.
this is a connecting flight going to LA. So again and again with this Indian boy.
Fuck you, man.
Wait.
All of you taga.
Guys, so we're going to see 39 here. Starbucks. No, I like Starbucks.
Let's go to the airport, man.
No, let's check first our location.
39. I can see here. Let's see 39, man.
Let's see, it's 34.
It's 39. Oh my god. This airport is good.
Yeah, there's a lot of
food. It's not so, man.
Yeah.
This airport is good.
Yeah. Just black. Hold this phone. Just take.
I'll put the black. Alright, guys.
Straight. Not like that.
There's a bar. You guys can see, and there is also one bar. What the heck?
Straight it. Straight.
What
Make it
straight?
like that.
What's holy man? I don't know. Thank you.
I gotta teach you
Thank you.
how to black. C39.
Let's check this one. How much is it?
Pillows. Ah, the pillows?
In the yeah, like
Okay, so let's see.
different every. Let's check the price.
Oh.
What is it? What is the price? There is no price.
I think it's too expensive when in the airport.
Let's see.
So we need to check the location first, then mag-ikot-ikot na kami dito sa Houston, Texas Airport. This is the Houston, Texas Airport
There is
style.
a man. I can see with the last one. The system.
You know, the biggest for me is the Qatar airline. I can take that. See, check it. Ah, there's a low pressure area.
Burger. Bar.
Burger bar. You're always looking for Mac, what's that? Mac. So bali, connecting flight kami going to Los Angeles. So nandito kami ngayon sa Houston, Texas. Then after nito is going to LA. So kumain muna kami dito. Ano sa ba? So guys, for the second flight, going to LA. LA, Los Angeles. And tomorrow we are planning to go to Tokyo. We're going to Little Tokyo.
That's it, man.
Here we go, guys. On the way to LA.
Yeah, go to plane for that.
Where? So guys, touchdown.
First we man, let's change the baggage.
Okay guys, ang lamig na dito. We are totally here at LA. Time check. Baka kung kita nyo ba yan? Basta 7:50. So cool. So ngayon, ang bali gagawin namin, i-claim namin yung baggage namin, yung check-in. Luggage namin. Ay, lamig. Gabi na guys. Tapos, mag-aabag na. Maghihiwalay na tayo dito sa nanakituhod ko. Ang lamig. So guys, baggage claim.
No, man, there. Yes, man. What the fuck?
So guys, ito na yung luggage claim namin. Nasa labas yung shuttle.
Yeah, check out the
Yeah.
flight.
Guys, lamig na lamig talaga ako. Get my clothes on my bag.
Why? Just wear your jacket, man. If you close your body.
It's in my backpack. Inside my backpack. Cool. It's cold too much. Super cold, guys.
TSA regulations require that baggage must be supervised at all times. Any unattended baggage will be subject to confiscation. Any unattended baggage should be reported immediately to airline representatives or law enforcement officers.
One more, guys. One more. Yan talaga.
How you feel, Rolly?
So cold.
Why you wearing jacket, man?
So cold. So much. May kulang pa akong isa. Alright guys, here at LA Airport. Officially touchdown na ako dito sa LA. Then, I'm just waiting for my shuttle. Hilton. I'm checking in Hilton, guys. And this is the waiting hotel and private parking shuttle. So guys, I need Hilton. Once I see the Hilton, let's see. Here we go. Time check, it's already 7. DPNE. I'm looking for Hilton. Guys. Hilton. H Hotel. What's that? Manggesh! Holiday! Kasama ko tong Indianong to. Hindi suma... Did you see the holiday?
That one, the Express.
What?
Express.
That's holiday!
Holiday in Express, man.
So guys, this is my hotel. Hilton Hotel. Thank you so much. So guys, officially in na ako dito. So punta ako sa guest services.
Fill the form, like only important things is phone number and email.
Okay. This is a big room. Then solo. Then I get and I realized there's a P. I want to clarify on the guest services. There is a $40, 50, 40 per every meal. Oh, fuck. I don't know. Ayan. Thank you po, At Shirley. Yes. Thank you po. Ayan. So guys, kakain tayo dito. Actually, ikwento ko sa inyo yung mga nangyari. Actually, may binigay na voucher na $50 yung carnival sa akin for dining ngayong gabi. So ngayon, may libre ako. I want this Lay's spicy. So, guys, sobrang saya ko ngayon kasi si Ate Shirley is from Adelina. So, napakalapit lang sa amin. Sobrang lapit. And then, guys, tinuturuan niya na ako dito. Guys, ito. Yung $50 na voucher from hotel. Ito, guys. Like this. Yeah. Ito yung dining ko, $50. So, uubusin ko for dining. 4 na araw ako dito sa Hilton, guys. Yun na may pizza. Wow! Ako lang solo kakain. Tapos ito, sandwich. Pag di ko naubos, pwede ko naman daw dalhin sa room. Tapos, water na lang. Sa tubig. Si Ate Shirley. Taga Adelina siya. Tapos, kilala niya sila Sir Bong. So, kain na muna ako, guys. I'm so happy. Ngayong gabi. Hello, guys. Dinala ko yung pizza dito sa kwarto ko. Kasi pwede naman. Pwedeng dalhin yung pagkain. Kasi, bayad naman to. So, may pagkain na ako sa loob ng kabina ko. Ay, meron na akong hirap naman mag-vlog dito. Ito, pizza at sandwich. Tapos may tubig naman ako. Hello guys, I just want you to know, smooth everything. No P, no luggage P, no hotel P, pizza is free. Did you see? I bought this. See? They gave this. I have a voucher, $50 per night. Then, I have this. Then, tomorrow morning, I have another voucher again for morning breakfast. So, yeah, everything is smooth, guys. I love it.